Welcome to 701 Kings Road. This neat 2-bedroom, 1 full bath, end unit apartment home with 2 parking spaces out front and an updated interior. It's located in Orangeburg, just 45 minutes to Columbia. Also convenient to Downtown Orangeburg, State and Claflin Universities, and within walking distance to Orange-Wilkinson High School, as well as easy access to I-26. So we're inside the unit now, as you can see. As you notice on the outside, again, as we mentioned, you have the 2 parking spaces out front. And then as you enter, you can see you have a nice, large open living room. You have a ceiling fan in here, window out to the front. You have luxury vinyl plank flooring in the entry. And then that's also in the kitchen and the bathroom. So a nice sized room, as you can see, and it's open to the kitchen, which has an eat-in dining area. You have white appliances and an updated countertop, nice wood cabinets. So there's an included electric stove, as well as a dishwasher and refrigerator. And then you have a laundry area with room for a side-by-side washer and dryer, and also some cabinetry above. And then you have access on this side just to some outdoor space out back. So basically you can see there's just sort of a small stoop out there and just some common area. Green space out back. And then sort of it's kind of central hall, and then all the bedrooms and bathrooms are off of it. So you have 1 full bathroom with some updated vinyl plank flooring in there, single vanity and shower and tub. And then you have 2 nice sized bedrooms. Right off of that, this one faces the rear of the property, and they both have pretty decent sized closets as well. You can see those kind of go back behind the doors on either side. You do have a linen closet here in the hall as well. And then your second bedroom here, of course. This one's front facing and similar closet, as you can see here. And that completes our tour of this home. Again, this is 701 Kings Road in Orangeburg. You can find more information online at sc.purepm.co.